documents that we've annexed. You are told, my lords and my ladies, when in relation to the question of how integral the technology was, and my learned that Justice Lenaola did ask, when you take a JPEG and it comes out as a PDF, and I tie to the response what Camargo was doing in the system, and my learned friend Samane said, he's a plumber. He's like a plumber maintaining the system. Let me say this. Once a plumber has fixed your bathroom, that plumber has no business being in your bathroom when you are showering. If you find him at that time, you tell him, get behind me, Satan, as was said in the book of Mark 8:33 in the Bible, when the devil entered Peter, and Jesus told him, get behind me, Satan. A plumber who is in your bathroom when you are showering after fixing your shower is no longer a plumber, is a sexual offender, and should be reported.
Let's stick to the...
I'm guided. Mr. Somane took you through several forms